most excited about. I swear to God. Only food. No. About people as well. So we did manage to find a local place and it is so good. I'm having pav bhaji, Amul cheese pav bhaji, and sabudana khichdi and chas, which is known as dak as well. It's a little different, but oh my god, me is gonna cry. Just so happy. So I am very happy after eating. Apparently I have become a morning person just for today, I think. So I tried to be more local and took this taxi which is known as Kali Pili, which is the color black and yellow. I am at Bittu's college. This is my way of entertainment. Watching random college. So actually I forgot to vlog this. I did meet her and I cried. Finally, the emotions they...
Am I going to be in this too?
Yes, why not?
पर्सनल कवर लेटर जो है
This is my favorite coffee from here.
जो है ग्रामर
To this Ashok Vada Pav thing, but apparently it is too famous. This is the place, by the way. Now it's a war between wanting to tolerate the heat or wanting to eat local Indian food. Crazy. It was worth the wait. Like I have not tasted it yet, but
I have already eaten it.
tell me something about this.
It's local Bombay kacha sandwich. Though it does not look kacha. But it's very good. After chilling a lot and watching stand-ups and eating biryani and palak paneer. Why do I make that face?
Yeah, like. But अब हम पानी पूरी खा रहे हैं. Finally, my favorite street food.
The lighting is not good.
So, pani puri I couldn't handle. This I can. Sev puri. Now we are going for a massage. Alright. My day ended, but I could not vlog because we were stuck in traffic for like almost 4 hours. Oh my god, I have felt every single emotion there is to feel in this day. I look hideous. Why? It's the next day and Naharkadi is going back to Indore, and we literally walked to the airport because our hotel was so close. I'm gonna eat here, I guess. I had chai and coffee already. Once I drop her off, I will eat and I will keep you updated. If you really need to know this much information about my life. This is my breakfast place for today. Hello. So after the breakfast and what else did I do? Yeah, I did a lot of documentation sorting for my visa thingy. I have an appointment tomorrow. Being the spontaneous person that I am, and also trying to fulfill my vision board as much as possible by the end of this year, I am getting a tattoo, a sunflower tattoo, cause I am one. I am at Circle Tattoo. I'm confused between where to get it, but I'll show you when it's done. Bye bye. sorry. It is a sunflower. On my little arm. Ooh. Whoopsie. So now in the middle of my tattoo, I am eating because obviously I am very hungry. I'm eating onion uttapam because I couldn't eat it in the morning. And that is Mr. Lazy. His name is Mr. Lazy. Okay, it's almost done. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Oh my god. I want to show it like that. It is. I am a what now? I am a what? Sorry. I am just way too excited. See? Now, quite literally. I don't know, that is not literal, but still. So, after the tattoo, I have decided to come to a beach to have some peace and quiet and enjoy the happiness that I got from my tattoo, and also eat bhutta. Okay, can't see a lot, but it's fun. It's peaceful, at least. Not very peaceful, but no. Okay, I don't know. It's something. Now I know. When I said I don't know, but now I know. It's the people watching. It's so fun. It's like there are couples, there are families, there are children, there are people like me who are just at the beach by themselves, and it's so fun. It's so wholesome to witness. So I got a Sitafal ice cream because chocolate and all though I can get there also. It's so good. Wow. I think this should be the perfect end to my day. The perfect ice cream ending. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Oh my god, the sensitivity. My breakfast for the day, that and this, because really need it. I've never tried misal pav. I am so sleep deprived, but that is why I am a legend, because I did VFS work, the most tiresome work, with zero sleep. I am an amazing human/genius. But on the bright side, I am meeting mommy. No? Yes, I'm meeting mom, and finally this guy has time. Who am I giving the dead stare to the camera? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna eat something nice, hopefully. You know, I think from travel vlogs I should really shift to unhinged content. Look who's here! Finally! Moment from Mumbai. And the moment from Mumbai in Mumbai. This is gonna be a Mumbai vlog. This is and Bhatura. That is called Bhatura. This is called chola. And I am going insane because I have not slept. This is Tadgola ice cream. Tadgola means sugar plum. Something sugar plum hi tha. So yeah, it's a very, I don't know. First time I'm trying this fruit. It's a fruit basically, and he is trying. He has had it before. Mudslide
Ice apple.
sundae. It's called
Ice apple.
ice apple. Okay, this is iced apple ice cream. Wow, I'm excited. Apparently, I had a lot of time before the flight, and I couldn't find a decent spa. So I am doing something to my hair, which is very important. My hair feels like human again, and I'm so happy and so grateful that this happened.